Hello dear friends, if you want to be a multitasker, while using WhatsApp, if you want to use other applications at the same time, you can do that too. Just follow the step-by-step process that I'm showing here in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down a little bit. Click on apps. And now click on this three-dot icon in the top right corner. You get two more options here. Select the middle option, Special Access. And now click on the picture in picture option. First, find out the WhatsApp application here. First, you gotta enable WhatsApp like this. And then whatever application you wanna use at the same time while you are using WhatsApp, enable all the applications here like this. And now go back. And now open your WhatsApp. Nothing to do here, just close this. And now look at the bottom of your home screen. You see three icons here. This is tabs icon, this is the close icon, and this is the big icon. Okay? Just click on the tabs icon, and now you will see all the recent tabs. Just click on the WhatsApp tabs and hold for a few seconds like this. And now drag it to the top of the page like this. And now see the WhatsApp is opening here at the top side. And at the bottom of the page, you can use other applications at the same time. So this is how you can use WhatsApp and other applications at the same time. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if anyone wants more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.